Hi class, today we're going to be looking at multiplication word problems. We're going to be specifically diving into finding the missing variable multiplication word problems. On the screen, I've included an example one of these multiplication word problems. It reads, you and 3 friends are making cookies. If the batch makes 24 cookies, how many cookies will you each get? The first step to solving this word problem is to underline the important information. In this problem, you would underline you and 3 friends because that's the total number of people, and you would also underline 24 cookies because that's the total number of cookies that are being made. The next step would be to define the variable. The variable in this case would be how many cookies you each get. I'm going to use the letter C for the variable. Now that we have all of our information underlined and defined, it is time to solve the problem. We know that the total number of cookies being made is 24. Therefore, that is the product of our multiplication problem. The question is asking how many cookies you each get. Therefore, the two numbers being multiplied will be the number of people making the cookies, which is 4, and the number of cookies you each get. And in this case, that is our missing variable. The next step is to think to yourself, how many times do I have to add 4 to itself to get to 24? I like to write it down on my paper so I can count how many times I add 4 to find the missing variable. Once you figure that out, you can count the number of 4s you added to find missing variable C. In this case, we added 4 a total of 6 times. Therefore, C equals 6. Another way to think about solving this problem is to think about your multiplication facts and think 4 times what equals 24. And in this case, 4 times 6 equals 24. Now that we have figured out C equals 6, we can write our answer, which is each person will get 6 cookies. After you write your answer, all you need to do is box your answer, and then you're done! Congratulations! You solved a multiplication problem finding the missing variable.